So we are back again with our birthday gifts. So we have, well, suitable for anybody, but we've kind of gone for a real like fun, interesting theme. So we've kind of said more, well, we would say about what, the 30th mark.
Yeah,
we've
that's it. We
kind
designed
of
them for
aimed,
30th.
but no reason why you can't send it
Not
to,
just 30th, anybody in their 30s.
yeah. But you can send it to anyone. I know I'm not 30 yet, and I'd be happy to receive one of these.
It'll happen like that.
No, it won't.
What's your basket called?
So mine is Young at Heart birthday gift. So
Mine is old enough to know better.
So we've got our products here aimed at birthdays. So we've got our birthday cake, and we have stickers that you can do 30th or 31, 32, 33, or any number. We've numbers right up until, what, 99, 100. We have the little giraffe or our little jungle theme, so you can pick from the drop-down menu which one you would like. And a birthday bar. You
can have a tiger.
Yeah.
This is really good for Australians, the koala.
Yeah, so depending on what kind of animal maybe they manifest, you can send them a little cuddly toy. We also then have kind of our high-end products that are slightly cheaper in the packets that we'll use to fill up the basket. And then our most expensive, so champagne truffles, Lindt, well-known brands, and kind of our expensive ones that we'll want there on the front. Shred, and we'll just see what we want to kind of put in. So
I've never seen that in a hamper for a woman, beef biltong, and yet women love it.
Yeah, again, that's the thing. We put genders on products that are gender
are stereotypical and wrong. So for us, we're always thinking along those lines of what's popular and what goes across the divide between men and women. And this basket here, there's nothing about this which says this could not be for a man, although we've sort of been thinking along the lines of, is this going to be appealing to a woman? But it doesn't really matter. We've sent as many to them as men as to women. Okay,
so we've got then our
throw that one in. Other things that we'll throw in at the bottom: crisps.
Pop it in the bottom.
Cheese and onion crisps. There we go.
Dark chocolate ginger. So what else? We want our birthday products to be front and center, and some of these more expensive ones at the back. I think I'll maybe put. So
put your back line now in terms of the.
So we'll start with the truffles.
Okay.
Right. Pop.
Need a little bit more straw.
Truffles, and we'll maybe, so what's that? List more.
Those are fine biscuits. Orange, cardamom, fine biscuits. This would be the sort of product that you would sometimes find in a luxury hamper, but we're quite lucky because we can include it in these types of ranges because we operate all year round and we produce them in our own warehouse.
Yeah, we've got then our organic spicy chai tea bags, and then in the back as well. And then
it's trickier than it looks.
Yeah, I know, I haven't done this in a while. We'll put the birthday cake in the middle there. Make sure it doesn't move whenever we're. Oh my word, this is, yeah.
That's tricky, isn't it?
How difficult it was. We'll get then some of these tie in the colour. Are we giraffe? Do you want a giraffe or what will we go for?
Let's go for tiger.
Tiger.
Because it's the year of the tiger. Well, one of the most popular ones is actually this one.
18th of June.
The koala.
We'll pop him in the middle.
But of course, we're doing this. You can do this yourself. You can see the level of thought and work that goes into it.
So yeah, and we've got then, I've used one of these smaller things in just to fill a gap at the front. And then I've got the happy birthday chocolate bar put in. Let me see.
Yeah, that looks nice.
There we go. Not my best.
Okay, well, but the important thing is that you don't do this.
I don't pack every.
Probably doesn't. Neither do I. There's another woman that packs them far better than us.
Far better.
But Magda is lurking around there in the background. But the general concept here is that it doesn't matter based upon the products that you've selected. Oh, there we go.
Let me see.
Bury it.
Bury it, or will we tuck it in?
Well, it's yellow. That's the thing about it. You can tuck it in at the back there.
Yeah,
if
we'll
you so
give
wish.
it a bit more.
There you go.
Lift those chocolates up a little higher and give it that structure.
There we go.
So the finished product.
The nice thing is that you've got the birthday stuff here. This obviously can change to a 34, 35, whatever you want. You've got the animal, which can be tailored in the drop down to whatever type of animal that you so wish or desire. It could be turned if you know the person's into cats or into dogs or whatever, they can do that. And then you have the happy birthday chocolate, and then you have the corresponding colors, which are goldeny yellow. You've got an orange straw. It just, whenever somebody gets it, it's really exciting, it's really interesting, and I would love to receive that.
I'd love to receive this one as a birthday. I do.
That's what you try to do, rather than just be sending flowers or a bottle of something for a birthday. We try to be a little bit more creative, a little bit more imaginative, and you can do that yourself. Just simply go around your local shops or whatever, put together a selection of elements like this. Think about the color coordination. Don't be afraid that you've got different types of tones going on, because you can apply science in terms of where to hide things, where to pronounce things, where to link things through. And these little videos here will sort of give you the little hints.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you very much.